Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips Zero screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the battery in your HP 13AQ laptop. First, power off your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the replacement process. Next, flip the laptop over to access the bottom panel. You will notice several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom panel. Start at one corner and work your way around the edges. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. After successfully removing the panel, set it aside and take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop. This is a good practice to ensure optimal performance. Now locate the battery. It is typically secured by a few screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver again, remove these screws. If you encounter any resistance, double-check to ensure all screws have been removed. Once the screws are out, gently lift the battery from its compartment. If you find it difficult to remove, you can use the spudger to carefully pry it out. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to compare it with the old one to ensure compatibility. If you don't have a replacement battery on hand, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and we can help you find the right battery for your model. Now, place the new battery into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reinsert the screws you previously removed to secure the battery in place. Make sure they are tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, as this could damage the battery or the laptop. Next, take the bottom panel and align it with the laptop. Press down gently to snap it back into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the panel, ensuring that all screws are tightened adequately. Finally, flip the laptop back over and connect it to the power source. Power it on to check if the new battery is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. You can also get a quote before any repair work is done, ensuring transparency in our services. In summary, replacing the battery in your HP 13AQ laptop is a straightforward process that can be done with the right tools and a little patience. Always remember to handle components carefully and keep your workspace clean. If you need help at any point, our professional services are just a call away, making it easy for you to get your laptop back in working order without any hassle. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.